We originally partnered with Daktronics back in 2006 when we were under construction at Dow Diamond. So we rolled out our video board then in 2007 to our inaugural season. And that project served us very well. When we opened the doors in 2007, not just our video board, but our production room was state of the art. And when you think of technology from 2007 to date, it has changed a lot. So when we were looking at what we were going to do for the next phase at Dow Diamond, the directive that we got from the board was, it needs to be significant, it needs to be impactful, not just for our fans, but also for our partners.
It was rebuilding everything from the ground up. It was taking those animations, taking everything that the fans and the team and the community have come to know about and making it bigger and better and more elaborate than what we could have done in the past.
A perfect example is how we execute in-between inning on-field promotions. Prior to this project, you may have a lower third logo on the video board, live shot of the contest, and then we would have A-frames on the field. Now with LED ribbons on the facade of the suite level, and then a display that's 4 times larger, we can have a dedicated moment of exclusivity for those specific partners. It just makes every moment of the game experience that much better.
We chose to work with Daktronics Creative Services pretty early on in the project. I was extremely happy with what they gave us. I can take that template file, make that color change, make that logo change, and kind of make it still my own while I'm still getting a lot of the legwork done for me. And that definitely helped, knowing the fact that we had to rebuild from the ground up.
We've taken parts of the game that I would say are kind of some of those mundane moments and made them a lot more engaging or immersive for fans. It's hard for, I think, a fan to truly grasp and understand just the sheer size of it when you're looking at a video on Facebook or you're on the website. For our fans that have now come through the gates and experienced it, it's been a wow factor.
With the show control system, I can export something and it's ready to go. All of your ribbons fire, all your animations fire off of one push. It's no longer communicating between 2 or 3 people to make something work. I come in, I turn it on, I know it's working, I know that it's going to do the job that it needs to do. I'm not going to be fumbling around mid-game to fix something or go like that. I turn it on, it works, and then we get to go on and actually do our job instead of troubleshooting the entire time.
When you look at the quality of the product, we knew that we were going to have a state-of-the-art video board. But I think for us, more importantly, is the partnership on the back end from a service standpoint. I think the quality of their people, not just from project managers, but on the tech side, I am thoroughly impressed with the finished product that we got, and I think that was delivered to us because of the partnership with Daktronics.